How old is too old to start pipeline welding? Today I'm going to let you know my opinion on this matter. And in case by the end of this video you decide you're not too old for this line of work, I'll share with you my tips on your ideal living arrangement on the road, whether it be in an RV, hotel, or renting a house. If you want to get notified when I post a new video every Friday, go ahead and hit that red button and ding the bell. I'm Austin Ross. I've been a welder in the pipeline industry for the past 7 years, but I'm only 28 years old. So I can't say from experience how old is too old, but I can tell you how I feel physically, what I've heard from others, and how to go about the lifestyle as far as living. First of all, I'm always going to encourage anyone who wants to get into this line of work. It's changed my life for the better financially. Not to mention, I absolutely love the lifestyle in general. Myself, along with 95% of other welders that I've met out here, come from very little financially. So I would never discourage anyone who wants a shot at this line of work and lifestyle, no matter how old you are. With this being said, the last thing I ever want to do is sugarcoat anything about this way of life. Even though it's not always a fast pace, wear and tear, it's still taxing on the body and physically demanding most days. For example, just 7 years in, I've already had some issues with my knees. Nothing too serious yet, but I definitely feel it from time to time. And my brother, he's just 2 years older than I am, at 30 years old, and he's already had issues with his back. Then there's my welding partner, Andy. He's 73 years old and still going strong. The only other thing that I've had brought to my attention is eyesight. Eyesight does go downhill the older you get. I mean, after all, you are required to make x-ray welds out here. So eyesight is definitely something to think about. Now they do have things called cheater lenses. They got like 2 or 3 different cheater lenses that magnify the weld to help you see it. Again, I don't know from experience, I don't use one of those, but my welding partner Andy does wear those, and that helps him. So they've got options, but I've also heard stories of older guys that it gets so bad, their eyesight gets so bad that they do have to end up hanging it up. So something to think about. Ultimately, I think it depends on your individual situation and how old you feel, not so much your age. So let me know in the comments, how old do you feel? I'm 28 years old, but I feel like I just turned 20. Let me know in the comments, how old do you feel? Okay, besides the physical aspect, another very important thing I want to talk about is getting started. Getting started in this industry takes time. It may take a few years to get established, depending on who all you know and who you meet on all the jobs you do get on. Take this into consideration and think about where you are in life and how long do you plan on pipelining. Be prepared. Don't go in with lots of payments. Be ready to have 3 to 4 months off every year by either having some money saved or another source of income. Also, be prepared to be away from home at least a couple months at a time. So, how old is too old? Unfortunately, I can't answer that for you, but I hope this video answered most of your questions and gave you a few things to think about as you make a decision for yourself. I also wanted to ask you, is it pipelining that is appealing to you, or being a rig welder? Because pipeline is a big commitment with the lifestyle you have to live. But maybe you're just looking for the freedom to work out of your own truck and run in your own rig. Just something to think about. Becoming a rig welder locally may fit your fancy even better. Now I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, how old do you think is too old to start pipeline welding? Let us know what you think and let us know why. If you would like to get my guide on different ways to live while on the road, you can find it by clicking on the top link in the description below. Just drop me your name and email. As soon as you do that, I'll shoot you over the download and sign you up to get the rest of my emails with other fancy things coming right to your inbox. Make sure to leave a comment, share this video if you liked it or if it was helpful, subscribe before you head out. That's going to be it for me today. Remember, learn something every day. We'll see you next Friday. Thanks for watching.